Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, so we'll show you today how to remove and replace tensioner pulley on a BMW. This one will be the 3.0 V6 engine. They have it in many vehicles. We'll demonstrate on the E90, but E92 E93 and other ones like X5, X3 should be the same 5 Series. And here is the production zone of Auto Repair, guys, hiding. Okay, so that's the serpentine belt right here. We will need to get some light there so we can show you guys how we can do it without removing anything. That's the tensioner pulley that we need to release the pressure off of this one so we can remove the belt. So with a T60 like that socket, okay, if you go right there on top, that's where well, maybe it's a T60. It needs to go all the way in. Okay, and now let's see if we can move the tensioner, but that thing is too tight for some reason. Don't know why. It shouldn't be as bad as it is now. Okay, it's moving a little bit. So we're gonna get a bigger ratchet, guys. Brake over bar. It's really tight. Don't wanna break the fingers there. So we're gonna use the cheater bar here. Okay, it's in. Okay, and you can see how much we gained now, and we're gonna get the belt of the pulley, tensioner pulley, and we can let go now. Okay, and that's it. You can see the belt will actually come out now. Okay, right there. And in order to remove it, guys, you need to start all the way, go to this side now. So you just need to start on one side and work it all the way around. Okay, it's out of here now. So we have on the bottom now here and the AC compressor pulley, which is a little bit tight there. Trying to feed the camera, guys, so we can show you how to do it. Okay, and the only thing left now, okay, right there it was holding under the thing. Okay, and that's it, guys. That's the belt right here. So once you remove the belt, guys, tensioner pulley bolt is right here. Okay, the one located right there. So that's the tool we're using. That's a reverse storage E14. Okay, and that's the bolt there that we need to take out now. And those could be sometimes really tight. Okay, but once you get them loose, usually you can go by hand. Okay, just like that. And let's see what it looks like. Something doesn't seem right about that tensioner pulley because it was taking the belt a little bit sideways. That's the bolt, pretty long bolt. Make sure you leave it where you cannot drop it. Okay, and that's the tensioner pulley, guys, right here. You can see we're gonna get it out now, inspect it, see what the deal is with it. So wasn't too bad getting it out of there. Alright, guys, so we found what our problem is. You can see right here, that gap, and here it's sticking actually out. What happened, something broke inside that arm right there, and it's pulling the belt. Okay, instead of being straight like that, it pulls it a little bit to the side, and that's not good because it's gonna throw the belt, eventually break it, and you're down. But we'll go ahead and buy a new one, and you just install this one with a single bolt. There is only one spot that it fits. You cannot mess it up, and we'll have a video how to install the serpentine belt, so check it out. It's on our channel, and that's the only thing that you need for that repair, guys. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.